So, Smith & Wesson 500 Magnum. In there. Here we go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is gonna be so loud.
You go, sir. Yeah, you might want to plug your ears. Yeah. I figured just load your. Just load it up. Load one.
That's gonna be loud.
Alright, are we all ready? I feel the force.
Cool. It's gonna sound like a mini cannon.
I don't want to hear a cannon.
Are you good?
No, it's got this one cocks backwards.
That's what I'm used to.
This could be a lot like the one that was already
Okay.
here. Alright. He was shooting.
Y'all ready? Rock and roll, bud. Wow.
Yeah.
You want to load me up?
That wasn't so bad. That wasn't so bad.
I've touched one of those before. Alright, so. What's in the back?
Yeah. You could feel that one more than the other one, but it wasn't really that much louder one, was it? There you go.
I'm not a Revolver guy either. Jesus!
Feel that right here.
Oh yeah.
So you want to hold the camera? I keep jumping every time it goes off.
Alright. We're still on video?
Yep. You just gotta hold it steady because it goes off. I'm like, ah! All over the place.
That's a big point. All the way down.
Always a smile on the face. Not as bad as I thought it'd be.
Yeah. Alright, Ryan, whenever you're ready.
Nope. Ah, wrong way.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, backwards. Counterclockwise.
Okay,
Yeah.
rest it further back. Yeah, so it's not on your trigger.
There you go. Alright, we're good.
Pull the
All
gun
right.
back,
There you go.
Okay. Here, further back so that it's here, not on this.
You want to get your other one in there?
Yeah, I'll get it. Is that easier? One-handed. Because you got to keep it really still.
Alright. I want someone to take this with my phone that I have.
Alright, I'll get you. Which one are you shooting at, Cass?
I shot at,
Top left?
You can never go wrong with Smith & Wesson
We'll call this
500.
third, second,
I mean,
third,
look at
and
this.
fourth.
That is a big round to be shooting. But it's a baby. It's really not that bad.
Oh yeah, it ain't that bad.
It's not that bad. Kicks like a 22.
Smith & Wesson 500. Feel up. Oh, really? We got one over here you can compare to.
Alright,
here, hang on to this. It's already rolling. You shot it sideways?
Y'all ready? Yep.
That's center.
Who's got the last one? Who's got the last one?
Take it if you want it.
I'll take it. Yeah, why not? You know, might as well.
YOLO, right? You only live once?
YOLO. Yep, YOLO.
You did third, that was 5, and to the right.
Oh
See the
my
whole
That might be the caption of the video.
Yeah. I think you need to aim down below just a hair. I think.
Got it? Alright. Alright.
I mean, you
You've never had as much fun. God, that is beautiful. That is beautiful.